We often feel like we are the root cause of the problem. People don't understand me. We start blaming ourselves for the circumstances and the bad situations, and gradually, over a period of time, we start becoming the victim for our bad. This is known as victim mindset. Type yes if you do belong to victim zone. Consequently, you will get to know the factors that show victim zone. Factors that show you belong to victim zone part 1. You are seeking validation. Whenever you want to try something of your own, you want somebody's opinion. You are dependent on their opinion. You are neglecting your own opinion and you are not trusting your own opinion. For example, whenever you want to post something on Instagram, you are asking somebody, and if they are telling yes, you are posting it. If they are telling no, you are not posting it. Factors that show you belong to victim zone part 2. We feel like my issues are the biggest. My issues are the worst. I'm going through the bad situation, the worst situation. And when somebody else is sharing their story, their problem, we don't find the solution for it. Rather, we start showcasing our problem, that our problem is at the high level. Factors that show you belong to victim zone part 3. We feel like people don't understand me. Whenever I'm showcasing my opinion, they are doing either of the two things. Either they are listening to me and not reacting, or they are not listening to me at all. We feel like, for example, when something is going on, we say to our subconscious mind, like I'm trying to tell the right things, but they are not understanding me, and then we stop giving our opinions. Factors that show you belong to victim zone part 4. Bad things happen to me only. We feel like that. Whenever something good is happening to you, you don't remember. But when something bad is happening to you, you always say, ये मेरे साथ ही क्यों होता है? हर बार मैं ही क्यों? And then we start considering ourselves the victim for the bad things. Factors that show you belong to victim zone part 5. We want to seek the attention of the people. We want to be the center of attraction, and for it, we are going to do each and everything. For example, we are posting the photos of ourselves for Instagram. And you know why we are doing? To get more likes, more comments. Rather than getting more likes and more comments, we should start focusing on providing value in people's life.